Hi, read your post and I searched through all the catalogs that I had for cabinet doors. I just got interested, okay? Um, uh, let's open the library browser. Yeah. So I found this, I'll get to that in a minute. But before that, yeah, I searched through these cabinet doors in the core catalogs, bonus catalog. That took me, 15 minutes just to do that until I decided that, well, they ain't none. There's no Prairie style doors. So then I went to 3D Warehouse and found this. And just to help you out a little bit, I'm going to open Chrome. Yeah. And you just type in 3D Warehouse, enter. And then there's three, that's fine, I'll click on that. And in order to download anything, you have to sign in and have an account. They need to know who you are, but what I did is I typed in like that, Prairie style cabinet door, click on the search, and that's what I came up with. And then, like I say, if you want to download it, you have to sign in. So it's, and of course I have an account here, so I signed in and I downloaded it. And then I went over here to File, Import, 3D symbol, which SKP is one of the file formats that Sheep will import, and that's what is available at 3D Warehouse. So I'm going to click on that. I downloaded it. So there's my download folder. Select it. And then I made sure that it was checked here. Show advanced options. I want that. And category, I think I missed that when I first did this. Bingo. Okay, I missed it. I'm glad I did this the second time because the way I did it the first time didn't work very well. Okay, well, my bad. So now I got that door there. I'm going to go to options. No, we don't treat it as a door front. Okay, that's all good. Now, this red stuff you can change. That's no big deal. Well, what I did is I took the door symbol and just manually placed it there. I'm going to delete those. Okay, now I'm going to try this again. I'm going to open the dialog box. I'm excited now. Go to door drawer, library. See, before when I imported it, there it is. See, by designating it a cabinet door, then it becomes something you can select. Uh-oh, I don't see it there yet. Uh-oh, well, that's disappointing. Let me open that again. Well, it's selected as a type. Oh, I've still got it designated here on this tab as an opening. So I don't care about the left and right. Okay, there's that goofy material, but yay, this is working right. See, I missed that first step when I imported it the first time. I didn't check the type and make it a cabinet door. I did some other stuff that didn't work. This time it's working. Boy, I'm glad I did this the second time. Okay. So now we're going to go to door drawer. Now I'm going to click on this and make it, yeah, a door. Then we'll go to the door, this tab, and change the type. Go to user, yeah. See, it wouldn't be up here, it'd be in your user because I imported it custom. And whoop, there it is. Now I'm going to just take the eyedropper and get my species color and put it on there. Isn't that cool? Now, you can't get everything and anything at 3D Warehouse, but they have a lot of things. And I couldn't find this in all of the libraries that are available for cheap, but I did find it at 3D Warehouse, and this solves your problem. And this is the way you should move forward. Okay. Well, we both had a good day from this. I'm happy. I hope it helps others as well.